What up fellas, again it's your boy Evans with another brand new video. Just like I said 5 days ago, 4000D, then 80D. Now it's a surprise to you, we are doing another video, just a step up of the 4000D but few little specs in it. This is 250D camera. I'll be unboxing this camera. You see that? This camera, it is really good. So we've got here the body, then the lens. Of course it is the kit lens inside, and no more surprises. It is something normal. Every camera comes with a kit, the bad lens that everyone talks about. It's okay. Let's get into the unboxing. So right on it, we're gonna start right away. Open it. Here we got the manual. This is the manual. Then inside here we've got the camera strap. The camera strap, actually it is just Canon. In these cameras like the 250D, the camera strap is not written the 250D, is simply Canon. Then we've got the battery. Then we have this another manual from the Canon. Then this is just the Google whatever's for editing those photos. So this is the lens. Let me just clear the table. This is the lens. As you can see here, it is 18 to 55 millimeter, and it is not STM. As you can see here, yeah, there is the lead. And then we have this one here, the actual thing. This is the camera. This is the camera now. So here, see the 250D. So let me just head on and connect my lens. So this is the camera. Then I'll connect my battery. How do I go about this one? You go right here, connect it there. Then I also bought a card. Don't know where it is. Let me just give me a sec. I look for it. Got it. The 32 GB card. Let me just insert it here. Then boom. So as I told you, this camera, it is swivel. Here is the turn on button. Turn it on. Then here, this is its dial mode. The dial mode is right here. You can switch it to AV, TV, P, the portrait, the auto. Then yeah, then the ISO is the shutter button. Then what else? Okay, this one, it has a flash, but the flash is manually, you operate it manually. Then I mentioned to you that this one also it is touchscreen. As you can see here, it is touchscreen. Yeah, you can as well operate it through the buttons, using these buttons right here. When I move the button, you can see the selection is going and going right there. Here is a shoe also for installing your speed light. Then we have these ports here. We've got the mic. We've got this one for the smaller mic. Then we have these other ports here, the USB, the micro USB, and then the HDMI out. So then this one, the camera strap, I think this one is very easy. You just connect it right here, then here usually. Then this is the handle. Yeah, this is where you can put on the header for your tripod. Yeah, and of course I failed to mention the battery and the card. You have to, they are at the bottom of the camera, so whenever your camera is on the tripod, you have to remove the camera from the tripod for you to install the battery and the card. And then another thing here is about the microphone. Microphone is right here, and another one here. Then there is also the output sound. It comes from this speaker right here, just on top of it. So this is all for this, the 250D camera. More I'll be telling you about when I am done with the specs inside. Today it was all about the highlights. Okay, so that was it for the 250D. Of course, I forgot some things. I forgot to mention to you, I already unboxed the camera myself, so I forgot the charger. It comes with only one charger, but then the cables are two. There is one for the 2 watt, whatever, and this one. This, I forgot to mention that one because I already unboxed it. So that's all for the 250D. I'll be doing now the specs one by one, and I'll be showing you how to use this camera very well, how to connect your external devices on the camera, live streams, all of that, everything concerning the 250D camera, you're well covered. So keep on watching, subscribing, sharing. Remember that the bell has to be on so that anytime I update or I upload a video, you get notified and you run to YouTube and watch it. Peace.